Alright. What's your name? Alright, Tim. How old are you? How are you? How are you? Are you good? Very good. How about where are you from? Okay, now could you tell me what's your favorite drink? Okay, how about drinks? What's your example? My favorite drink is Sting. Sting. Okay, how about what's your favorite food? Example, teacher. My favorite food is chicken. How about you? Alright. Do you like orange juice? Yes or no? No, Do you like sandwich? Very good. Now tell me the three foods you know. Three foods. Mango. Pizza. And sushi. Okay, very good. How about tell me the three drinks that you know? Drinks. Huh? C2. 7-Up. Pepsi. Alright, that's it. Okay, very good.